So here are commonly confused words in English. Let's start from accept and accept. First one is accept. Accept is just to receive or agree to something. So whenever we want to explain our idea while we are receiving or agreeing on something, we use the verb accept. For example, let us see by example. She decided to accept the job offer. This sentence implies, this acceptance implies she has already accepted the offer. So we are agreeing on receiving or agreeing on something. So when we wanted to explain on these kinds of situation, we use accept. So the second one is accept. Accept is preposition. It means excluding something. For example, everyone went to the party except John. This means everyone has gone. Everyone has gone to the party, but someone has not gone to the party. Who is he? This is John. So we wanted to explain the John if he has not gone or he has gone. So we explain this kind of situation by using accept. So when we generalize these two words, accept means to receive or agree to something, and accept means excluding something. So let us go to the second one. The second one is affect and effect. Affect means to influence on something. Example, the weather can affect your mood. This effect means the weather is influencing our mood. This means the weather is influencing our mood. If the weather is no good, we may go out to take a walk or to just move around. So the weather is affecting our mood. So the weather is influencing. In other words, affect means influencing. Another one is effect. This one is effect. A result or consequence. This means a result or consequence. There is an action and there is a consequence. So when we want to explain about that consequences, we use the word effect. So for example, let us see the advantage of effect. The medicine had soothing effect. Here we have taken medicine, so the medicine has brought some consequences. So we use effect to explain this medicine consequence. Let us go to the third one. The third one is further and further. The way we read these two words are almost the same, but the contextual meaning are totally different. The first one is further. Further means it implies a physical distance of something. Further implies a physical distance of something. Example, we walked further than we planned. We are talking about the distance we walked. So here further is explaining about physical distance of something. So the second one is further. Further is additional or additional extent. When we wanted to explain about some additional idea or extents, we use the word further. For example, let's discuss this further after the meeting. She is saying, we need to discuss additionally after we finish this meeting. So when we explain this kind of situation, we use further. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel to get additional tutorials on academic or tenses or English or different kinds of general knowledges. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Thank you.